I've never done any routing before. I was amazed how quick Jeremy cut the slots out, and I was impressed by Jeremy's improvised jigs.
Well, Clive came to the right person, I guess, because improvised jigs are very much my thing, and that's not just routing jigs. Now Clive wanted help routing a cutaway for this rather slick precision engineered router lift, and help also in cutting slots to accommodate a table fence kit by the same manufacturer. He also brought along a very sturdy plywood tabletop, so you can see it's considerably bigger than the manufacturer's one. Now what puzzled me was, although a self-adhesive template and profile routing cutter was supplied for the cutaway, the router lift actually just would not fit, and we had to resort to my creating off-the-cuff simple Batten guides to tweak this cutaway, and also for the 3 aluminium rails that needed to be recessed. I'm slightly surprised a similar composite template wasn't supplied for these, but then a wider flat bottom cutter is also required. Clive brought his own power tools, including a medium-sized router set up to take the 1/4 inch shank profile cutter, and with the task ahead it would have taken days to complete. Really, a bigger router with 1/2 inch shank cutter would have sailed through this in the dense 1 inch thick plywood tabletop. So Clive was happy for me to do most of the work, which still took a few hours. Now this is an expensive piece of plywood, and you might wonder why this batten is clamped to the underside. Well, we need to drill a hole through the top, and the clamped piece of scrap wood prevents the fibres from splitting. The hole, of course, is to accommodate the jigsaw blade, but you only need one hole, and just leave the jigsaw to do the rest.
The main reason why I contacted Jeremy was I've never done any routing before. I've seen it on his website about, he was offering these training sessions, and I thought I'd best go to somebody that can actually point me in the right direction and give me the real good basics of using these pieces of equipment. I was very interested to look at Jeremy using a copy stick rather than a ruler, which I found very interesting, and I should be using that in future. Having spent a few hours with Jeremy, I now am confident to cut out the last slot.
Well, Clive was an excellent student, and I was amazed at how well he controlled the router, considering he hadn't really used it before. We had a bit of a laugh getting him to pronounce the word router, and so I'm finishing off with a few of the outtakes. Please subscribe, ring the bell, comment and share. If you are watching this in 2026 and intending visiting the North of England Woodworking Show, I've been invited to demonstrate and share various aspects of my lifetime woodworking adventure. Thanks for watching.
I contacted Jeremy in the first place because I needed some one-to-one training, not only in actually routing. I was amazed at the speed at which he was able to remove waste products. I now have the confidence to carry on and complete the router.